Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix NVIDIA installation error code 0xe60000. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go to find your start menu, right click on it, click on installed apps. Wait for it. Then once done, just use the search bar and type down NVIDIA. Okay. And do make sure that the NVIDIA app is not running in the background. Right click on it and just click on exit. All right. So after that, click on three dots besides each NVIDIA related services right here. Uninstall, 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 uninstall. And once that's uninstalled, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and find NVIDIA drivers. Okay. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on the ones from NVIDIA right here. Download the official NVIDIA drivers. Just click on it. And once done, scroll up and you'll see best for gamers or best for creators. Okay, so just click on this option and click on download right here. Save it wherever you want and just follow the simple prompts. Okay. And then once that's done, go ahead and restart your computer. And once you restart your computer, go ahead and check it out and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is how you fix NVIDIA installation error code 0xe60000. All right. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.